我家的房子。
Our house.
这是我家的房子。
This is our house.
我家的房子在郊区。我带你进去看看每个房间。
Our house is in the suburbs. Let me take you inside to see each room.
这是客厅。客厅里有沙发、茶几和电视。我们在客厅里休息，看电视。
This is the living room. In the living room, there is a sofa, a coffee table, and a television. We rest and watch TV in the living room.
这是厨房。厨房里有炉灶、烤箱、冰箱、微波炉和水池。
This is the kitchen. In the kitchen, there are a stove, an oven, a refrigerator, a microwave, and a sink.
我们在厨房里做饭。
We cook in the kitchen.
这里是餐厅。餐厅里有餐桌和椅子。我们在餐厅里吃饭。
This is the dining room. In the dining room, there is a dining table and chairs. We eat in the dining room.
这是我的卧室。卧室里有床和衣柜。
This is my bedroom. In the bedroom, there is a bed and a wardrobe.
我在卧室里睡觉、换衣服和读书。
I sleep, change clothes, and read in the bedroom.
这是浴室。浴室里有浴缸、洗手池和马桶。
This is the bathroom. In the bathroom, there is a bathtub, a wash basin, and a toilet.
我在浴室里洗澡、刷牙、上厕所和洗手。
I take baths, brush my teeth, use the toilet, and wash my hands in the bathroom.
这是书房。书房里有书桌、书架和电脑。我们在书房里学习和工作。
This is the study. In the study, there is a desk, bookshelves, and a computer. We study and work in the study.
这是家庭娱乐室。我们在这里聊天、玩游戏。
This is the family entertainment room, also called a den. We chat and play games here.
这是地下室。地下室里有玩具和乒乓球桌。我们在地下室里玩耍。
This is the basement. In the basement, there are toys and a ping pong table. We play in the basement.
这是车库。车库里停放汽车、自行车和放其他杂物。
This is the garage. The garage houses cars, bicycles, and other miscellaneous items.
这是前院。我们在前院里散步和种花。
This is the front yard. We walk and plant flowers in the front yard.
这是后院。我们在后院里吃烧烤和玩水。
This is the backyard. We have barbecues and play with water in the backyard.
你会选择哪一个？
Which one would you choose?
我们已经看完了我家的房间，我们来做几道选择题，只是为了好玩哦。
We have now finished looking at the rooms in my house. Let's do a few multiple choice questions. Just for fun, okay?
你愿意在后院玩，还是在地下室玩？
Would you like to play in the backyard or in the basement?
你愿意在浴室唱歌，还是在浴室跳舞？
Would you like to sing in the bathroom or dance in the bathroom?
你愿意在厨房做午餐，还是烤蛋糕？
Would you like to make lunch in the kitchen or bake a cake?
创意时间，
Creative time.
请把你的笔记本打开，画一画你最喜欢的家里的房间。
Please open your notebook and draw your favorite room in the house.
你真是太棒了！
You are really great!